Most people are using AI completely wrong in 2026. They type a vague question, get a vague answer, and wonder why AI feels useless. The problem is not the AI, the problem is the prompt. In this video I am giving you 10 exact prompts that I use every single week, prompts that have cut my work time in half, made my outputs dramatically sharper, and turned AI from a novelty into the most powerful tool I have ever used. These work on ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, all free, all copy-paste ready. Stay until prompt 7, because that one alone will save you more time than the other 9 combined. Let's get into it. Here is something most people do not understand about AI in 2026. The model matters less than you think. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they are all incredibly powerful. What separates people getting extraordinary results from people getting mediocre results is not which tool they use, it is how they talk to it. A great prompt is like a great question. The more specific and contextual it is, the better the answer. Let me show you exactly what that looks like in practice. Prompt number 1. The clarifying question trick. Add this sentence to the end of any prompt. Ask me clarifying questions before you answer. Instead of guessing what you want, the AI stops and asks you exactly what it needs to know first. The result is answers that are 3 times more accurate. No more going back and forth 10 times to get what you actually needed. Example: write me a marketing email for my product. Ask me clarifying questions before you answer. Try it once, and you will use it forever. Prompt number 2. The Simplifier. Explain any topic, like I am completely new to this subject. Use simple language, a real-world analogy, and give me one practical example I can relate to. This prompt turns any complex topic into something you can understand in 2 minutes. I use this constantly for learning new skills, understanding technical documents, and preparing for conversations on topics I know nothing about. Prompt number 3. The Summarizer. Summarize the following in exactly 5 bullet points. Start with the single most important insight. End with one clear action I should take today. Paste any text, article, or document. This prompt alone saves me hours every week. Paste any long article, report, or email thread and get the entire thing distilled in 30 seconds. Prompt number 4. The Content Angle Generator. Give me 10 completely different angles for creating content about topic. Make each angle target a different emotion, curiosity, fear, inspiration, controversy, and practical value. Every content creator, marketer, and business owner needs this prompt. You will never run out of ideas again. Prompt number 5. The Mistake Finder. What are the 5 most common mistakes people make with topic or skill? For each mistake, explain why people make it, and give me the exact fix. This prompt gives you instant expertise in any area. Use it before a job interview, client meeting, or when learning something new. The AI essentially gives you years of experience compressed into minutes. Prompt number 6. The Email Writer. Write a type of email to recipient about topic. The goal is to desired outcome. Tone should be professional or friendly or direct. Keep it under 150 words. And with a clear single call to action. Most people write emails that are too long, too vague, and get no response. This prompt structure fixes all 3 problems every single time. Prompt number 7, and this is the one I promised you, the decision maker. I need to make a decision about situation. Here are my options. List options. Here are my constraints. List constraints. Give me a structured analysis of each option covering pros, cons, risks, and your recommended choice with clear reasoning. I use this prompt for every major decision I face. Business decisions, career decisions, financial decisions. The AI does not make the decision for you. It organizes all the information so clearly that the right answer usually becomes obvious within seconds. This prompt alone is worth more than most paid consulting sessions I have ever attended. Prompt number 8. The Research Assistant. Research topic, and give me a comprehensive overview covering what it is, why it matters. Right now, the top 3 things experts agree on, the top 3 things that are still debated, and 3 practical ways I can apply this knowledge today. This replaces hours of Google searching with one clear, structured summary. Use it before any meeting, presentation, or project where you need to get up to speed fast. Prompt number 9. The Editor. Edit the following text for clarity, conciseness, and impact. Remove any filler words. Strengthen the opening sentence. Make the tone more professional or conversational or persuasive. Keep the core message exactly the same. Paste your text. Every piece of writing I produce goes through this prompt before it goes anywhere. Emails, reports, proposals, social posts, everything becomes sharper, clearer, and more effective. Prompt number 10. The idea generator. I am working on project or goal. Generate 20 unconventional ideas that most people in this space would never think of. Prioritize originality over safety. For each idea, give me one sentence on why it could work. When you are stuck, blocked, or just need fresh thinking, this prompt delivers every time. The unconventional constraint is key. Without it, the AI gives you generic ideas. With it, you get genuinely surprising ones. Now let me give you the one framework that makes all 10 of these prompts even more powerful. The best AI prompts in 2026 have 4 things in common: a role, context, a specific task, and an output format. Role: tell the AI who to be. Act as an expert marketing strategist. Context: give it the situation. I have a small business selling handmade products online. Specific task: tell it exactly what to do. Write a 30-day content calendar for Instagram. Output format: tell it how to present the answer. Present it as a table with date, topic, caption, and hashtags. The more specific you are, the better the output. Every single time, no exceptions. Here is your action plan right now. Pick 3 prompts from this video that apply to something you are actually working on today. Open ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, all free, and try them right now. Do not just watch this video and move on. The people who get results from AI are the ones who practice daily, not the ones who collect tips and never use them. If this video saved you time, subscribe. I break down AI tools and strategies every single week with zero hype and zero fluff. Just things that actually work. I have linked a video right here that covers the exact free AI tools professionals are using to build income online in 2026. That is your next step. See you in that one.